How to clean dirty grout. Hey everyone! Grout is the material between tiles. It can get really dirty. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean dirty grout. You will need toilet bowl cleaner, rubber gloves, an old toothbrush, and a sponge. First, put on the rubber gloves to protect your hands. Then, put toilet bowl cleaner on the grout. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Next, scrub it with the old toothbrush. Finally, wipe it with the sponge. There! Look at the difference. Now the grout is all clean. If you liked this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos.